What is your game? What is your squad? Sugar Kitty clocking in on the clock. My hair looking kind of crazy. I took it out last night. And the next night, sorry, I started the vlogs so late, but y'all be alright. I know how to feel. Y'all be alright, son. Y'all be alright. Y'all gonna be alright. Just be talking and talking. You don't want to hear it. Just be like, y'all trick, y'all. Hey, Soldier Boy, you're like, y'all trick, y'all. What is up to the JK? In this thing, if y'all don't know what J stand for, it's your boy Jaden. If you don't know what K stand for, it's your girl Kitty Rat. You know, it's a skit. Hold on. It's your girl Kitty in the cut. It's a pretty sight, yeah. Jay not on the vlog right now. He's not with me right now at the moment. My head hurts. Like my forehead ain't talking about my hair. Well, my hair ain't talking about like this. Talking about my forehead. It hurt. I got a dog, y'all. I done got a dog. Like, we not ever knowing that I was gonna get a dog. But I got a dog. Y'all, they used to go all fear. But this is a puppy. I scared of dogs, but this is a puppy. And honestly, I'm a little bit still scared of this one. This one, I'm in the bed. Sight, y'all. I'm just playing. I ain't scared of dog. He's in the cage right now. I'm not in the cage, but he in the cage eating right now. So I ain't gonna bother him. I'm not scared of dogs, to be honest. So, and to be honest, I'm just playing. This is not my dog. This is actually J dog. I told him, while he was at school, I'd take care of it. Even though his mama not gonna be there. His mama was gonna be there. But I wanted to keep it for the week so I can get used to a dog. So I can buy me a dog. Even though I'm not scared of dogs. I'm trying to get used to it. Like, the responsibilities of, like, picking up boo-boo, wiping up the pee, and all that. Taking out to use the bathroom, all that good stuff. But, yeah. He's not eating right now. J-Dog. I got him for the rest of the week. Right now, what day is it? It's Tuesday. So I got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 5 more days. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yep. So that's what I'm gonna be vlogging all week. It's me and the dog. Y'all tell me that y'all lip up here is like look at it, it look big. Like I got a bump on it right there. It's hurt, it burns. Y'all can't see on cam, but yeah, put a vlogging on the yeah, I know what I'm vlogging on. I'm vlogging on tablet. Yeah. So y'all, I'm just laying in the bed doing nothing. Y'all, this is actually not the cover to go to my bed, so y'all can start guessing it. It's actually this. It's a black cover. Actually, I actually got it flipped. It's actually this kind of cover. The zebra, but I got it flipped because I got the zebra. Got the zebra thing right there. I got the zebra. The windows. I mean, the blinds. The zebra blinds. I got a zebra clock up down the wall. Yeah. That's not rocking, y'all. I don't know. Want me to I'm dead. What's dog did that dog like that? I'm dead, man. I'm dead, man.
Get in the I'm about to put you in the cage.
You the one I want in my life. Come here, brother. Stop playing. You the one that I want in my life. Yeah. You the one that I want every night. Yeah. You the one I want in my life. Yeah. Huh? Oh, saw the footage of the dog. That's the dog. That's the dog. So, y'all like, why you just flip the camera on? Like, just press the button on the tab and just flip. But I won't do that because my back so blurry, bro. Oh my god. It's so blurry, bro. You can't see when I say nothing, I mean nothing. It's black. Alright, guys, this is gonna do for this vlog. Sorry, I didn't get to talk much, do much, but I'm gonna be back with banger. How are we doing this year? How are we doing this year? Taking what? Taking W? Y'all seen them prints I did on Jay? We taking Team Kitty in cut. We taking W's. Yeah. I'm gonna have my hair like this. Yeah. Alright, like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I mean, good. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. You already know what. Yes, your girl Kitty. In the comment section. Team Kitty in the cut. It's a pretty sight. Yeah. So it made me happy, and I will continue to come back with more and more bangers. Y'all finna do a challenge real quick without the music. I want y'all to get a challenge. Yeah. Ooh, I'm just saying it because I can't like that. Can't do that. Everybody clap your hands. Wait, hold on. It's how it go, but I'm gonna do it. The next time I do it, it'll be my way. First time I do it, gonna be the way it's supposed to go. Everybody clap your hands. Sight. Clap for them. Yeah. But like, if I do it like this, everybody clap your hands. Clap for them. Y'all back again with another banger. Lord, y'all see tomorrow.